Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see from the Sparrow book of class 6, chapter 6, the 7 wonders of the modern world. Now here first I will read the paragraph and paragraph wise I'll explain. An initiative was started in 2001 to choose the 7 wonders of the modern world from the selection of 200 existing monuments. Means initiative means efforts have started to search for 7 wonders of the world from the selection of 200 existing monuments. From 200 monuments, 7 have to be searched as a modern 7 wonders of the modern world. Bernard Weber, a Swiss-born Canadian, led a popularity poll which was organized by the New Seven Wonders Foundation based in Zurich. Now here Mr. Bernard has made a पॉपुलैरिटी पोल जैसे इलेक्शंस होते हैं पोलिंग होती है वैसे दे हैव ही हैज डन इट एंड it was organized by the New Seven Wonders Foundation based in Zurich, Switzerland, and the selected monuments were announced in July 2007 in Lisbon. Okay, now after the polling from 200 existing monuments, the 7 selected monuments were announced in the year 2007 July in Lisbon. Of all the wonders of the ancient world, the only one still is existing is the Giza Pyramid of Egypt, which is generated an honorary site. Means the Giza Pyramid of Egypt is generated honorary site, means it is been honored. Now first we will see what are the 7 wonders of the modern world. Now among the 7 wonders of the world, first is the Taj Mahal. It is a 42-arch marble mausoleum complex located in Agra. Mausoleum means a large tomb. ऊपर ऐसा गोल सा जो बना हुआ है ताजमहल पे, that is a tomb which is 42 arch. It is a magnificent and well-known Indian landmark. Magnificent means well-known. Yeah, grand. It was built by Shah Jahan, the 5th Mughal emperor, as a memorial for his deceased wife. Deceased means dead wife. Mumtaz Mahal, who died during childbirth, means while she was giving birth to the child, she died. And in her remembrance, he has made Taj Mahal. Its construction started shortly after Mumtaz's death in 1631 and spanned for more than 2 decades. 2 decades tak iska construction chalta raha, and he has employed more than 20,000 laborers and it cost several million rupees. अब सोच लो कितना उन्होंने पैसा खर्च किया. That he has appointed 20,000 laborers and मटीरियल भी काफ़ी लगा होगा तो उसमें many million rupees. Second is Chichen Itza in Mexico. The ancient city of Chichen Itza is located on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This is well-known Mayan city which served as a religious, political and economic center spanning several hundred years. मतलब here this Itza is used for religious, political and economic centers for meetings and all other things for several years. The pyramid of Kukulkan, also known as El Castillo, is probably the most recognized ruin of Chichen Itza. Means Kukulkan or El Castillo is also recognized in the ruin of period of Chichen Itza. This step pyramid stands approx 80 feet high. इसकी height कितनी है? Approx 80 feet. It has 9 terraces and 4 sets of stairs. Terrace layers, 9 layers are there, and each staircase, because there are 4 sides of the staircase and each is having 91 steps. If you include the top platform as a step, then the pyramid has a total of 365 steps, means one day one step, you can say, in a year. Third is the Christ the Redeemer statue, Brazil. It is the statue of Jesus, one of Rio de Janeiro's most widely recognized monument. Okay, the monument of Jesus, the statue of Jesus. It is 98.5 feet tall and stands atop the summit of Mount Corcovado, which itself rises more than 2300 feet high with a huge like wingspan of 92 feet. मतलब ये इसका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बताया गया कि it is 98.5 feet tall, which is standing on Mount Corcovado, which itself is at the height of 2300 feet. And the huge hung like wings means the spread of the hand of Jesus. You can see in the picture also. The spread of his hands is 92 feet. The statue seems to welcome people. The appearance of the statue appears as Jesus is welcoming everyone. It weighs approx 700 tons. इस पूरी स्टैचू का वेट जो है वो कितना है 700 tons and is made of concrete and soapstone. Concrete is cement, soapstone is soap rock. Mixture of cement and soap rock. To have a close view, you can ride a cogwheel steam engine train up to the steep 2.5 mile slope. मतलब उसका close look देखने के लिए you have to go through the steam engine train, which is 2.5 mile slope. You should rest up on the right as at rails end you have more than 200 steps to climb to get to the foot of the statue. Means train से जाने के बाद भी you have to climb about 200 steps to touch the feet of this statue of Jesus. Fourth is the Colosseum, Italy. It was built in Rome in about 70 AD. AD means after death. It was built in Rome. It was the first freestanding amphitheater. Amphitheater means a large stadium. Others in that era were dug out and built into sides of hills और माउंटेन्स टू प्रोवाइड स्टेबिलिटी. अदर्स जो उस टाइम में बनाई गई थी वो किसकी सपोर्ट ली जा रही थी माउंटेन्स और हिल्स, बट दिस वन इज इंडिविजुअली स्टैंडिंग अपॉन. Gladiators contest, group comebacks, battle resentments and other programs were held there to an audience of nearly 5,000 people. इसमें काफ़ी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हुई हैं, कैबिनेट्स हुई हैं, बैटलमेंट्स हुए हैं, प्रोग्राम हेल्ड हुए हैं, एंड इन दिस at one time about 50,000 people can sit together. By the 20th century, a combination of weather, natural disaster, neglect and vandalism. Vandalism means deliberate destruction of property destroyed 2/3 of the original Colosseum. Means by 20th century जैसे चीज़ें पुरानी होती है तो ख़राब होती जाती, टूट जाती, फूट जाती हैं, उसी तरीके से बिकॉज ऑफ नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स, वेदर एंड द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, इसका 2/3 पार्ट जो है दैट ओरिजिनल इज destroyed away, including all the Iranian's marble seats and its destruct and its decorative elements. मतलब इसमें सारी चीज़ें इंक्लूड हैं जिसमें 2/3 of it is been destroyed. Restoration efforts began in 1990s. Means restoration means reconstruction of this thing has started again in 1990 and have continued over the years. And the Colosseum continues to be a leading attraction for tourists all over the world. जब इसका reconstruction हुआ तो it has become more attractive monument for the tourists in the world. Fifth is the Great Wall of China. According to NASA, the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object. According to NASA, जो spacecraft भेजते हैं space में, ठीक है, man-made object which is visible from space. Means the Great Wall of China is the only object, man-made object, which can be seen from the space. It is definitely a modern marvel and an amazing wonder. The wall is not a continuous structure. Wall एक ही structure में नहीं बनी है, इसको parts में बनाई गई है. It is actually made up of several separate structures. It covers approximately 4500 miles. ये wall कितना cover करती है area? 4500 miles. Next is the Machu Picchu in Peru. It is known as the city of clouds. Machu Picchu is also known as the city of clouds, Peru, built in the 15th century. This ancient Inca city is nestled between two taller peaks. मतलब जो मिचू पिचू है वो टू टॉलर पिक्स, टू माउंटेन्स के पिक्स पे डेवलप्ड है. मिचू पिचू एंड हुआना पिचू एट एन एलिवेशन ऑफ 7,710 फीट. मीन्स इसका जो एरिया है वो 7,710 फीट है. इट वॉज हिडन अंडर येल प्रोफेसर, मीन्स अंडर द गाइडेंस. हिराम बिघम rediscovered the city in 1911. Okay, 1911 में फिर से इसको innovate किया गया. Since then, excavation means act of digging specially for archaeologist purpose. Research suggests that the city was home to about 1200 residents at its peak. मतलब इसमें जो दो peaks पे ये पूरा एरिया है ये कवर है और इसमें 1200 लोग residents रह रहे हैं. Next point is the Petra, Jordan. Petra is known as the city of rock. Okay, Jordan is known as the city of rock. It is located in the southwest Jordan in the form of ruins. ठीक है, मतलब massive temple stones and monuments have been cut into surrounding sandstones cliff. जो sandstones cliff है, जब आप मिट्टी डालते रहो तो एक पहाड़ जैसा बन जाता है, उसी तरीके से वहां पे सैंड का पहाड़ बना है और they have cut those sandstone cliffs and they have created the Petra. Sikh ul Zigna or treasury is most expensive. It is an elaborately carved and embellished. Embellished means decorated tomb. मतलब वो सैंड के अंदर ही कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया है, उसको काट के उसको बनाया गया. Petra is also known for its highly organized water system. In this, there is highly water system provided in it. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and subscribe my channel, Mahi English Classes. Thank you.